Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to find great deals on eBay. So the first way is shopping in the section deals. So when you open your eBay application on the home page, you will see here deals section. In here you can find limited time discounts for some products. And also you need to check for coupons. So some sellers often offer some discounts that can be applied during the checkout. So here you can see that this seller offers me this coupon, and I can enter this coupon and I will have a discount. So I will show you how to do it in a moment. Okay, let's search for the item, for example, I want to buy, and let's pretend that here I have that coupon. So let's pretend that I have coupon and I want to apply it. I need to press the button buy it now, and here I need to enter basically my coupon here. When you have entered it, to save, click apply button and you will have your code, discount code. What else? When you search for an item, you can apply some filters to sort products. So the filters you can find filters in the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can sort by price, by shipping. So if I enter this sort category, you will have here lowest price plus shipping and highest price plus shipping. So here are many options to choose from, and also I can apply some filters that related to condition of the product. For example, I can set pricing, so starting, for example, from $50 and ending price $250, for example. And here are many options to choose from. You can see that even you can choose even processor speed, model, color of your laptop. For example, if I have laptop, if I want to buy a laptop, then it will be filters related to screen, to processor. But if, for example, it's some kind of watch or something else, or other products, it's not just about electronics. So there will be different filters. And also what's important to mention that you can, for some items, it's just for some items, you can select the function make offer, and here you can negotiate with sellers a lower price directly with a seller, and you can even add message to the seller. So yeah. And also what's important that try to shop during major sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or some eBay specific sales for you to find the best deals. So that's how you can find great deals on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.